Hey guys, so what I did is I pried this little top dash piece off right here. It goes like this. All I did was get a butter knife and stick down in there and on the corner here with the screwdriver. And it's a son of a gun. You gotta really try hard, but I pried it up, and then there's two bolts right there and right there you gotta take off. So I believe it's a 7mm. I'm gonna get off camera right now and take it off. Got those two bolts undone that were back there. And you're just gonna probably put this phone down for a minute or something. I don't know if you can see this or not. I can't see it. So put that there, and then you just pry up right here. So you kind of got to be rough with it. It'll be all right. So pry up on that. There's three clips right there. Focus. There's three clips right there in the front that are gonna be whatever. So then you've got to undo this and this bolt. So let me get that, and I'll be back to you in a minute. Now that we got these two screws out right, one was right here and one was right there. And anyway, there's your nuts. Then you just kind of grab up in here and pull back. Yep. Be rough with it. It'll be all right. You got to. All right. So yep, there we go. All right, so that's all out. Now what I'm gonna do, if I can grab it, if I can get a good handle, I might not have to. Let me do some research here, and I'll get back to you. I might not have to pull this off to feed this wire through here. One second. I'm gonna have to pull this off. My wireless charging wire is gonna go plug in this top USB, and it's gonna run right down in this little crack. And we get old Trump out the way. It's gonna run right down, right up this crack, but this is gonna have to come off. So just, I ain't never took this off, so I'm just assuming you just, like anything else, you just, okay. I'm hearing snaps and shit else, everything else freaking break. What the hell? Why aren't you wanting to come out? Why aren't you stuck up? Well, I'm gonna try to weasel it up through there first. I'll get back to you. There's a little bolt right here I had to take out. There's another one on that side, but I took this little bolt out right there, and this attached to that, so I was able to pull it out. Now I'm gonna just run this wire right like this, tuck it in there as tight as I can, and I have it jammed up through here, okay? And yeah, got it jammed up through here. Guys, I apologize. There was a little bolt right here. There's one on the other side too. But you got to pull that to pull this part down a little bit more. So I pulled it out. I got my wire running right on the edge, and then this is gonna go right back in there like that. I got the wire running up the side, and I go through here, and then I'm gonna zip tie it all tight up in here pretty. There's a big open spot. And then I got it running through the top of this vent right here. So I had to get some needle nose pliers to pull it through that. I feel pretty confident it's not gonna get sucked back in anytime. Plus I'm gonna leave it plugged in, but I'm gonna put all this stuff back together, zip tie this, and I'll be back. I put this back on. I put that first little screw back on, push this back in, and I'm about to put these two bolts up top back in, and then I'm gonna lay the tray back in, put those two bolts in. Well, first I'm gonna zip tie my wire up here, and then I'll just zip tie it to this wire right here. That way it can't pull out anymore or whatever, and it's all secure. And then I just put these two bolts in, put the tray back in, snap it in, and then put those two bolts on the end of that tray back in, and we should be in business. I'll show you how I zip tied that excess wire right there. I got plenty right here. I just zip tied that. It ain't going nowhere, so I'm gonna put this tray back in. All right, so I got those two screws up there in. Last part is just to snap that back in. You'll be good to go. Secure. Had an old sticky mount right there. Hell, I'm sweating everywhere, but anyway, now I'm gonna hook up my mount and test out the wireless charging. So we'll see what it does. Guys, I got this Pro Clip mount right here. All it's gonna do is hook up. It's gonna hook up there, and then I'm gonna take the double-sided sticky tape off this end and pull it. Well, you get the idea. I'm gonna snap it in that hole. I'm gonna take the tape off and do it because I can't do it one-handed. Here's the deal. It goes up through here, like we showed in the video earlier. I got everything attached. My wire comes up, plugs into this. Basically, you're gonna have a case or the back of your phone. You put these two little plates right here, and the magnet, it sticks to it. And when you put you can't have any metal right here in this middle part, or else it's not going to charge. But it comes with it. So you just put this on here like that. It'll charge it. You can turn this into landscape mode if you want as well. I do if I'm ever like parked watching a movie or something, Netflix. But for the most part, I'll leave it like that. I'm gonna try to put my phone in the case real quick, and maybe it'll make a noise when it charges it. I don't know since I'm videoing, but no, it ain't making a noise. Just trust me that it's wireless charging. But hey, look, if you like this video and it was helpful to you, please like and subscribe my channel. I'm always trying to put out some. I mean, it might not be very good because I do it off my phone, but I try to put out at least something good every now and then. But I'll put a link to this Pro Clip mount and the magnet, the wireless charger, in the video description. Just click that link or click the description. It'll pop down. There'll be a little link you can click and it'll take you right to it. It's my link. But like I said, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My truck, she's a work in progress, but she's coming along. But anyway, I appreciate y'all. I think about a week ago, I put this little thing on. It turned out pretty cool. But anyway, appreciate y'all watching. God bless.